Hey guys, I'm jamonline.ph and finally, nagbabalik na ang Jam Online TV after a few weeks, hindi na po ito live. This is pre-recorded but of course, pwede pa rin kayong mag-leave ng questions dun sa comment section sa baba. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, magsasagot naman ako as much as possible although hindi ko nasasagutan lahat. Anyway, proceed na tayo sa Jam Online TV. So, this week pag-uusapan natin ang pinakabagong Asus smartphone na dumating sa Pilipinas and ang dalawang Cherry Mobile smartphone na medyo interesting na kasama dun sa Cherry Mobile Festival 2015. So, dito muna tayo sa Asus Zenfone C. So, the Asus Zenfone C is, nasa gitna siya ni Zenfone 4 and the Zenfone 5. And then si Zenfone 4 mawawala na and papalitan na siya ni Zenfone C. So ano ba meron dito sa Zenfone C? Well, it has a 1.2 GHz dual-core Z2520 processor. So may hyper-threading siya, kahit dual-core processor lang siya, para siyang quad-core dahil dun sa hyper-threading technology ni Intel. There's a 4.5-inch FWVGA display that's 8x4x480. So medyo mas malaki na resolution niya doon sa Zenfone 4. Although hindi siya HD, at least okay pa rin naman na 4.5-inch, mas malaki sa 4-inch. And well, mas malit sa 5-inch pero it's quite okay. 4.5-inch is like the Nokia Lumia 1020. 4.5-inch is okay to me. Medyo mas malit lang sa iPhone. Pero again, it's still okay for me. There's a 5 megapixel Pixel Master camera with LED flash. There's a VGA front camera, 1 gig of RAM, 8 gig of internal storage, and expandable po siya, okay mag-alala. It's powered by Android 4.4 KitKat. There's a dual SIM 3G and 2100 mAh of battery. So this one is available in black, white, and red. Medyo interesting to si Zenfone C kasi syempre, well, meron pa siya lumang processor which is the Z2520. Pero mas malaki na siya kaysa dun sa Zenfone 4 na pinalitan niya. And of course naman, kasi halos lahat naman ngayon na smartphones mas malaki na sa 4-inch and almost lahat yata ng more than 4,000 pesos ay mas malaki na sa 4-inch. And medyo interesting to sa Zenfone C. So if you want an Asus Zenfone C, available na po siya for 4,595 pesos. Medyo mas mahal sa Zenfone 4 pero medyo malayo yung presyo niya sa Zenfone 5 and medyo maliit lang yung agwat niya sa Zenfone 4. So, if you want, available na po siya sa Asus authorized dealers and mga resellers ng mga Asus Zenfone. So, dito naman tayo sa susunod. So, the one of the newest smartphone ni Cherry Mobile dun sa Cherry Mobile Festival 2015 is the Cherry Mobile Cosmos S2. Bakit siya interesting? Ito guys. Ito, sabihin ko muna yung specifications. Well, it has a 1.5 GHz octa-core processor. That's a 64-bit processor. So probably this is the MediaTek 6752 which is used sa Meizu M1 Note. Interesting siya kasi of course 64-bit processor na siya and this one is running on Android Lollipop. So nama-maximize na yung pagka 64-bit na processor ni Cosmos S2. There's a 5-inch HD IPS AMOLED display, 13 megapixel BSI rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. There's 16 gig of internal storage. I doubt na meron siya expandable. There's 2 gigs of RAM which is good. And then there's the a feature called Super Power Battery Saver na medyo hindi ko alam kung ano. There's sabi dito aluminum din yung build niya just like the Cosmos S. And there's dual LTE. So bakit ba interesting to? Kasi if you can still remember the Cherry Mobile Cosmos S, the Cherry Mobile Cosmos S is very thin that time for a local branded smartphone. I like the build quality. It's made up of metal. And this one is aluminum and it looks like the iPhone. There's no capacitive buttons on screen na lahat yung buttons niya. So medyo mas sleek siya tignan. Yung likod niya is glass and it's actually interesting. Maganda sa akin yung design niya. I could see it dito sa brochure. Nakikita ko na maganda yung build quality niya, maganda yung design niya. Pero syempre, mas maganda kung i-review natin to personally. Maganda isa pa dito is yung 64-bit processor. Yung MediaTek MT6752 processor, which is 1.5 GHz octa-core processor, mas mabilis siya kaysa sa processor na ginagamit sa Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus. Although mas maliit yung RAM niya, which is 2 gigs, pero yung display niya naman is only at HD, hindi siya full HD, which is kind of disappointing. Pero since HD lang yung kanyang display, expected ko na mataas yung Antutu benchmark niya and syempre yung gaming performance niya. Bakit? Mas maliit na resolution, and then mas malakas yung processing power, mas marami siyang nire-require na power kasi pag mas malaki yung resolution, pero dito HD lang yung gamit niya. So probably mas maliit yung gagamitin niya, which means na mas mataas yung makukuha nating score sa Antutu and mas maganda yung makukuha nating gaming performance. Although wala pa tayong unit, but it's interesting. And so the Cherry Mobile Cosmos S2 will be available soon for 9,999 and it's powered by 105.0.2 Lollipop. Interesting, right? Dito na tayo sa susunod sa huli, the Cherry Mobile Flare XL. So the Cherry Mobile Flare XL is just like the Cherry Mobile Cosmos 1 without the plus. So the Cherry Mobile Flare XL has got a 1.4 GHz octa-core processor, 5.5-inch HD IPS OGS display, 13 megapixel BSI rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 8 GB of internal storage, 1 GB of RAM, and of course HSPA+. There's USB OTG kahit 5,000 pesos lang siya. Take note, the Cherry Mobile Flare XL is a 5,000 pesos phablet. Ang specifications niya is very similar sa Cherry Mobile Cosmos 1 and malapit siya sa Cherry Mobile Infinix Pure XL. I'm not sure kung paano ko kaayos to sa Cherry Mobile Flare XL, but I hope na magkakamit tayo review unit soon. By the way, it's powered by Android 4.4.4 KitKat, which isn't that bad. At least KitKat naman siya. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng smartphones kayo naka-Lollipop na, and at least naka-KitKat naman siya. So medyo updated pa naman, and marami pa rin, wala pa lahat ng mga applications ngayon, parang kailangan lang ay KitKat, not Lollipop. I'm not sure if there are applications that require Android 5.0 Lollipop. It's very interesting kasi price na 5,000 pesos. Then you got a 5.5-inch HD IPS OGS display for 5,000 pesos. Meron kang ganun. So, I'm pretty sure na yung 1.4 GHz octa-core processor na nandito sa Cherry Mobile Flare XL is yung 6592, which is used sa maraming octa-core smartphones na nandito ngayon sa Pilipinas. So yeah, I guess that's it for this week's Jam Online TV. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. So huwag niyo po kalimutan bisitahin ang channel ko at bit.ly/jamonlinetv. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph and thanks for watching Jam Online TV. So see you guys again next week.